Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Kawasaki KLX300, the latest evolution of Kawasaki's legendary dual-sport motorcycle. With new upgrades in design, performance, and technology, this model is built to deliver unmatched versatility for both on-road cruising and off-road adventures. Rugged and modern design. The 2026 KLX300 features a refreshed, aggressive look with updated bodywork and LED lighting for better visibility and style. Kawasaki has introduced new color options and graphics, giving it a bold and modern appearance while maintaining its signature off-road ready stance. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, the KLX300 delivers smooth and responsive power across all terrains. For 2026, Kawasaki has optimized fuel injection and cooling systems, improving efficiency and throttle response. Whether navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails, this bike offers balanced power and agility. Suspension and handling. The bike comes with a fully adjustable long-travel suspension system, allowing riders to fine-tune their setup for different terrains. Its lightweight chassis and improved geometry provide excellent maneuverability and control, making it ideal for adventure seekers who want confidence in both dirt and pavement conditions. Technology and features. For 2026, Kawasaki has added a modern digital LCD display, offering real-time riding information. Updated braking components and optional ABS enhance safety, while the improved seat design ensures greater comfort on long rides. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX300 continues to prove why it's a top choice in the dual sport category. With a rugged design, improved engine performance, advanced suspension, and updated technology, it's ready to take you from city roads to wild trails with ease and reliability.